Hello everyone! Welcome to Success Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 8 ways to get wealthy on a limited salary. It's no secret that money plays a significant role in our lives. Whether we're talking about our finances or the economy of an entire country, money is a considerable force that affects us all. While it's not the only thing that matters in life, there's no denying that money is essential. After all, it's hard to get by without any money. Just think about all the things we use the money for daily. We need money to buy food and shelter, pay for transportation and healthcare, and buy clothes and other necessities. Money is also essential for businesses, which use it to purchase raw materials, pay employees, and finance their operations. And on a larger scale, countries use the money to fund public services like education and infrastructure and provide social welfare programs for their citizens. So while money may not be everything, it's an essential part of our lives. That's why you may be one of those wondering how to be wealthy even with a limited salary. There are 8 ways to do it. Number 1. Start early. One of the best advice for anyone looking to improve their financial situation is to start early with investing and saving. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only hold a small amount each month, it will add up. And if you invest your savings wisely, you can see even greater returns. For example, start investing $200 per month at 25. You will have nearly $1 million. If you wait until age 35 to begin investing, you will have less than half that amount. Even if your salary is limited, you can start investing and saving more of your money. By doing so, you can become more prosperous. However, it takes discipline to save money consistently. You may need to make sacrifices in your lifestyle to free up additional funds to invest. But if you're able to stick to a savings plan, you'll be rewarded with the satisfaction of watching your net worth grow over time. Plus, as your savings account grows, you'll have more financial security and peace of mind. So even though it may not easy, it's worth it to start saving and investing more of your money. Number 2, live frugally. Living frugally is often associated with a lifestyle of deprivation and denial. However, this doesn't have to be the case. There are many ways to live frugally without feeling like you're missing out on life's pleasures. By making small changes in your spending habits, you can save a significant amount of money. For example, you can cook at home more instead of eating out, buy generic brands instead of name brands, and get used or refurbished items instead of new ones. You can also save money by carpooling, taking public transportation, or biking instead of driving. And if you're committed to living frugally, you can downsize your home or get rid of unnecessary expenses like cable TV or a gym membership. The key is to find what works for you and your budget. Number 3, cancel most of your unused subscriptions. It's no secret that subscription services have become a popular way to access the content, whether streaming movies, listening to music, or reading the latest news. There's a subscription service for just about everything. However, with so many options available, it can be easy to let your subscriptions get out of control. If you are not careful, you can spend a lot of money on services that you don't even use. One way to save money is to cancel any subscriptions you're not using. This may seem like an obvious solution, but it's surprising how many people continue paying for a subscription that they never use. If you look at your bank statements, you might be surprised to find that you're paying for several unused subscriptions. You can free up some extra cash each month by canceling these services. Another option is to downgrade your subscription plans. Consider switching to a basic plan if you're paying for a premium subscription that you don't need. This can help you save money without sacrificing too much content or services. Canceling most of your unused subscriptions will save you money in the immediate future. Still, it can also help break the habit of subscription creep. You gradually build up a collection of costly services that you no longer have time for. So take a look at your budget and see where you can cut back. Chances are, you can find a few places to save. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 4. Manage your expenses. Anyone who has ever managed their finances knows that it is crucial to be mindful of expenses. This is especially true for those who have limited income. When you are on a tight budget, it is essential to carefully track your spending and make sure that you are not overspending. There are several ways to do this, including creating a budget and sticking to it. Several apps are available that can help you manage your expenses and stretch your budget further. These apps allow you to track your income and expenditures, set budgets for different categories, and even track your progress over time. Number 5. Manage your taxes and investments. There are a few key things to keep in mind when it comes to your finances if you're a limited wage earner. First and foremost, it's essential to be mindful of your taxes. By understanding the tax code and taking advantage of any deductions or credits you may be eligible for, you can ensure that you're not paying more tax than you need to. Additionally, it's essential to invest money wisely. While there will always be some risk involved in investing, you can help minimize your risk and maximize your potential earnings by diversifying your portfolio and funding for the long term. By taking these critical steps, you can put yourself on the path to financial success. Number 6. Automate your savings. When it comes to building wealth, automating your savings is one of the simplest and most effective things. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you ensure that you always have money going into savings. This can be a big help if you have trouble saving consistently, taking the decisions out of your hands. Automating your savings can also help you reach your goals faster, allowing you to take advantage of compound interest. Over time, compound interest will significantly impact the growth of your savings. So automating your contributions can help you build wealth more quickly. In short, automating your savings is a smart move if you want to build wealth over time. No matter how small the amount, automating your savings can help you build up for your financial cushion over time. Number 7. Protect your wealth. When it comes to protecting your wealth, salary isn't everything. Several things are more important than how much money you make. Here are 3 things to focus on if you want to safeguard your financial future. First, savings. It's essential to have a healthy savings account that you can tap into when emergency. Aim to save at least 10% of your income. And consider investing some of your savings in a longer-term goal, like retirement. Second, debt. One of the best ways to protect your wealth is to avoid debt. If you have an obligation, work on paying it off as quickly as possible so that it doesn't deplete your savings or put you at risk of defaulting on payments. Third, insurance. Another way to safeguard your finances is to have adequate insurance coverage. Make sure you have health, life, and property insurance to recover from any unexpected events financially. While a high salary can help you build wealth, it's not the only thing that matters. By focusing on these 3 key areas, you can better protect your financial future no matter how much money you make. Lastly, get a financial advisor. Many people think about getting a financial advisor. You need to be earning a lot of money. However, this is not the case. Even if you make a limited salary, you can still get a financial advisor. This is because there are many financial advisors who work with people on limited budgets. Getting a financial advisor can be one of the best things you can do if you want to learn how to be rich. A good financial advisor will be able to teach you how to budget your money, how to save money, and how to invest your money. As a result, you will be able to build your wealth over time. If you want to be rich, even with a limited salary, you have to be good with money. This doesn't mean you have to be obsessed with money, but you need to be smart about managing your finances. You can use these ways as your roadmap to a wealthy life. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!